Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online classes of Iqra Hufaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System. This video session is for English text for class 7 and this is lecture number 22. My dear students, in this class we will do book exercises 2, 3 and 5. So kindly take out your books and open page number 28. Okay, we have exercise 2 on page number 28. Vocabulary exercise. Match the words with their meanings and write the answers in the answer column. One has been done as an example. Beta, we have been given some words here and a jumble of meanings. We have to pick the correct option of the meaning and write it with the word numbers in the answer column. Like they have already done the first one. The word is upsets. You will find this word in letter number 1 and its meaning is makes unhappy, and the correct option is I. So we will write this in this way, one I in the answer column. Okay, the next word is harsh, and the meaning of harsh is say some things in a rough manner. Say something in a rough manner. And now we look for the correct meaning and option. Here it is. Say something in a rough manner, and the option is E. So it would be 2E. The third word is irritated. You will find this word in letter number 1. Irritated, and the meaning of irritated is angry or annoyed. You already did this exercise in the notebook. बेटा ये वाली एक्सरसाइज आपने पहले से की हुई है नोटबुक में, जो हमने वर्ड्स मीनिंग किए थे. तो वो यही वर्ड्स हैं और वो यही मीनिंग्स हैं, एंड दिस विल हेल्प यू टू सॉल्व दिस एक्सरसाइज. सो द थर्ड वन इज इरिटेटेड एंड इट्स मीनिंग इज एंग्री और अनॉयड, और हियर इट इज द ऑप्शन इज ओ. सो व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर? 3O. नेक्स्ट वी हैव handicapped, and you will find this word in letter number 2 and its meaning is having some disability, यानी माजूर होना. handicap कहते हैं माजूर को, having some disability. And let's find its meaning. Here it is, having some disability, and the option is N. So the answer would be 4N. The next word is mock. Mock, and the meaning of mock is make fun of, यानी मजाक उड़ाना. Let's find in the meanings. Here it is, make fun of. J means answer is 5J. Next word is honored, and you will find this word in letter 2, and the meaning of this word is a person given a special award. Means answer will be 6A. And next is joint family, and the meaning of joint family is a family where a husband, wife, their children, parents and other family members lives together. जहाँ सारे लोग मिलकर घर में साथ रहते हों, वो joint family है. So the answer will be 7C. The next is slurp. Slurp. Slurp means आवाज़ निकाल के खाना खाना, आवाज़ें निकाल के खाना खाना. मीन्स मेक a loud noise with the lips while eating or drinking. So It is 8F. So my dears, I have done 8 for you. In the same way you have to do the remaining yourself. Okay? Next exercise, we have exercise 3. The following tables gives the name of the students and the problem that they faced. Read the letters carefully to find out the problem that each one had. Write your answer in the answer column. बेटा इसमें हमें स्टूडेंट्स के यहाँ पे नेम्स गिवन हैं और उनके जो प्रॉब्लम्स थे वो भी गिवन है, लेकिन उनका ऑर्डर चेंज है. तो हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेलिवेंट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट एंड देन राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इन द आंसर कॉलम. द फर्स्ट नेम इज Zan, and what the problem was the Zan facing? His grandparents are unhappy. Zan के जो grandparents थे वो उससे नाखुश थे. हमने पढ़ा था ना, उसमें बताया था कि वो complain करते थे about his behavior. So the first answer would be 1C. The second student is Ahsan, and his problem is he is short-heighted, so the bus conductor always asks him to give up his seat for others. इसकी हाइट छोटी है और इसके साथ इसको बस कंडक्टर कहता है कि अब दूसरों के लिए जगह खाली कर दो, और साथ ही इसके दोस्त भी इसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं. सो यहाँ पर जो दिया हुआ बस कंडक्टर ऑलवेज आस्क हिम टू गिव अप हिज सीट फॉर अदर्स, मीन्स द आंसर इज 2E, sorry. And the third one is Fahad, and his problem is that whenever he sits with his family for dinner or lunch, they point out his mistakes. ओके, सो उसके घर वाले उसकी मिस्टेक्स फाइंड करते हैं जिसे उससे बहुत बुरा मानता है वो. तो ये कौन सा ऑप्शन है? दैट इज डी. फैमिली मेंबर्स पॉइंट आउट हिज मिस्टेक्स ड्यूरिंग मील टाइम. सो द आंसर विल बी okay. Now you will do 4 and 5 yourself. Next we have exercise 4. All the 5 students are sad or upset about something. They have mentioned how they feel at the end of their letter. Read the letters and find out how each one is feeling and fill in the following blanks. Beta, all the 5 students are feeling sad or upset. So to show or express their feelings, they used some adjectives along with their names at the end of the letter. So we have to write those adjectives to fill these blanks. This will show their feelings. Now let's see what they have mentioned, that how they feel. Here it is. Zan is unhappy. Ahsan is disturbed. Fahad is penalized. Rashid is annoyed. And Sania is frustrated. Okay? So you have to write those adjectives here like this. Ahsan is feeling disturbed. Fahad is feeling, you will write the word here. And you have to do this exercise yourself because it is very easy. Okay? Exercise, we have exercise 5. Read the text and find out who is advised to do what for solving their problem. The first one is done as an example. अच्छा, अब इसमें हमें करना है कि किस स्टूडेंट को क्या एडवाइस मिली है. ओके? और फर्स्ट में उन्होंने बताया है फर्स्ट Zan, दैट इज 1D. सो ही वॉज एडवाइज दैट ही शुड हेल्प देम, लिसन टू देम एंड बी पोलाइट टू देम. मीन्स ही शुड हेल्प हिज grandparents, listen to them and be polite to them, because his grandparents were unhappy with him. तो उसके भाई ने उनको ये एडवाइस दी थी. The second is Ahsan, and his problem is he is short-heighted, and the bus conductor asked him to give up his seat for others, and his friends makes fun of him. So his big brother advised him that he should be happy that he has chosen by God to give comfort to others. So what would be the correct option? This one. Should be happy that he is chosen to help others and should continue doing good things. The next one is Fahad, and his problem is everyone points out his mistake during meal time. So he was advised that he should adopt good eating manners. Means the answer would be 3E. Okay, now you will do 4 and 5 yourself. Okay, that's all for today, and you will do these 4 exercises in the book only. Take very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.